Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix the issue where Windows Installer is not working and your apps are not installing on Windows. Let's begin. Firstly, right-click on any empty space on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. After Task Manager opens, go to the Services tab. Here you will see a long list of services running on your system. Scroll down slowly and find the service named mServer. This service controls the Windows installer. If its status is showing as stopped, then right-click on it and click on Start. After starting it, Windows Installer will begin working in the background again. Now close the window and try installing your application. In many cases, the issue gets fixed right here. If this method doesn't work for you, then move to the next step. Click on the search bar and type Services and then open the Services window. Once it opens, again scroll down and look for Windows Installer. When you find it, double-click on it so a small Properties window opens. Here, first click on Stop to temporarily stop the service. It might take a few seconds. After it fully stops, click on Start again to restart the installer system properly. Once everything is correct, click on Apply and then OK. After doing this, close everything and restart your PC once. In most cases, refreshing the installer services fixes all installation issues. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.